Welcome to this tutorial on how to remove unnecessary spaces or empty lines in Microsoft Word. We'll cover how to adjust paragraph spacing and use the Find and Replace feature to streamline your document. Let's begin with paragraph spacing adjustments. In Microsoft Word, you can remove extra spaces by adjusting the paragraph settings. First, navigate to the Home tab where you'll find the paragraph group. Click on the small diagonal arrow in the bottom right corner of this group to open the paragraph settings window. In the paragraph settings, navigate to the spacing section. Here you can adjust both before and after paragraph spacing. You can set these values to 0 to remove unnecessary spacing. Next, we'll use the Find and Replace feature to quickly remove blank lines and spaces. Head over to the Home tab and find the editing group on the far right. Click on Replace to open the Find and Replace dialog box. In the Find and Replace window, you have several options. To remove all blank lines, type $P into the Find field, indicating 2 paragraph marks, and $P in the Replace field with 1 paragraph mark to collapse blank lines into a single line. You can also remove all types of whitepaste by typing a single space in the Find field and nothing in Replace field. These tips should drastically enhance your efficiency in removing unwanted spaces and line breaks in Microsoft Word.